Yo, what's up everybody? It's Adelia. We're diving deep into the world of high technologies. We're talking AI that thinks like us, maybe even better, robots building our stuff, clean energy, actually powering our cities, and rockets blasting off to, well, places we used to only dream about. This isn't some sci-fi movie marathon though. This stuff is real. It's happening now, and it's completely changing the game for all of us. But we'll break down how these technologies work, why they matter, and what they might mean for the future. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's get into it. Welcome to our video on high technologies and their transformative impact on our world. From artificial intelligence and robotics to renewable energy and space exploration, technological advancements are shaping the way we live, work, and connect. Stay tuned as we explore the innovations driving the future and what they mean for humanity. First up, we've got to talk about AI. This isn't just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's here, it's doing things, and it's getting smarter every day. Algorithms can learn, make decisions, and predict what we want. Your virtual assistant, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, that's AI in action. It's understanding commands, searching for info, and even cracking jokes, but it goes way beyond our phones. AI is diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately. And in self-driving cars, that's AI navigating traffic. But AI is only as good as the data we feed it. If we're not careful, we can end up with biased algorithms. Privacy is another huge concern. With AI collecting so much data, who gets access to it? These are questions we need to be asking right now. Okay, let's talk robots. I know what you're thinking. Killer robots from the Terminator movies, and yet that's one way to think about it, but honestly, we're not quite there yet. The robots we have today are more about collaboration than domination. They're designed to work alongside humans, taking over dangerous, repetitive, or just plain boring tasks. Think about manufacturing. Robots have been used in factories for decades, but now they're getting even more sophisticated. They can work faster, more precisely, and with heavier loads than any human ever could. This means increased productivity, lower costs, and hopefully safer working conditions. But it's not just about factories anymore. We're seeing robots in healthcare, assisting surgeons with delicate procedures, and even in disaster relief, navigating through rubble and hazardous environments to search for survivors. And then there's the whole world of consumer robots. Robot vacuums cleaning our floors, robot lawnmowers taking care of the yard. These things might seem trivial, but they're freeing up our time and energy for other things. But the question is, how comfortable are we letting robots into our everyday lives? Are we okay with robots taking care of our elderly or teaching our children? These are questions we'll need to grapple with as robotics technology continues to evolve. Climate change is the biggest challenge our generation faces. Let's talk about the tech tackling it head-on. Renewable energy, solar panels soaking up the sun's energy, wind turbines harnessing the wind, and batteries storing clean electricity. This isn't just a dream anymore, it's mainstream. Solar and wind power costs have plummeted, making them competitive with fossil fuels. As these technologies improve, we'll see more renewable energy powering our lives. And don't forget about electric vehicles, or EVs. They're crucial in reducing our reliance on gasoline and diesel. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid are pushing the boundaries of electric vehicles. Traditional automakers are catching up. The transition to renewable energy isn't easy. We need grid-scale storage solutions for solar and wind power. Everyone should have access to clean, affordable energy. With innovation, collaboration, and commitment, we can achieve a sustainable future. All right, now let's get into some seriously mind-blowing stuff: space exploration. We're not just talking about sending satellites into orbit anymore. We're talking about humans living and working in space, about going back to the moon, about sending the first crewed mission to Mars, and maybe, just maybe, about finding life beyond our planet. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are shaking things up, driving down the cost of space travel and making it more accessible than ever before. SpaceX, with its reusable rockets, is on a mission to colonize Mars. I'm talking about building a self-sustaining city on another planet. It sounds crazy, but Elon Musk has a way of making the impossible seem inevitable. And then there's NASA, the OG of space exploration. They're working on some incredible projects, like the James Webb Space Telescope, which is going to give us an unprecedented view of the universe, and the Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon by 2024. Space exploration isn't just about satisfying our curiosity or pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's about finding solutions to problems here on Earth. The technologies developed for space travel often have applications in other fields like medicine, communications, and energy. So, yeah, space exploration is expensive and there are always risks involved, but the potential rewards, both scientific and technological, are just too great to ignore. Last but not least, let's talk about a field that's changing the very fabric of life itself. Biotechnology. We're talking about using the tools of biology to solve problems, develop new technologies, and even enhance human capabilities. One of the most exciting areas of biotechnology is gene editing, specifically a technology called CRISPR. CRISPR allows scientists to precisely target and modify DNA sequences, potentially curing genetic diseases, developing new treatments for cancer, and even enhancing crops to be more resistant to disease and climate change. This technology is still in its early stages, but the potential benefits and ethical concerns are enormous. Then there are wearable devices and bioimplants. We're not just talking about Fitbits tracking our steps anymore. We're talking about devices that can monitor our vital signs in real time, provide personalized feedback on our health, and even deliver medication directly into our bloodstream. And then there are bioimplants like artificial retinas that can restore sight to the blind, or brain-computer interfaces that could allow people with paralysis to control prosthetic limbs with their thoughts. Biotechnology is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and even what it means to be human. But as with any powerful technology, we need to proceed with caution, carefully considering the ethical implications and ensuring that these advancements benefit all of humanity. So that's a glimpse into the world of high technologies, AI, robotics, renewable energy, space exploration, and biotechnology. We've covered a lot of ground today, and honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg. These technologies are evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the future is full of possibilities, both exciting and uncertain. One thing's for sure, these technologies have the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from climate change to disease to poverty. But they also come with risks and ethical dilemmas that we need to address head-on. We need to make sure these technologies are developed and used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And let me know in the comments what other high-tech topics you want me to cover in future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep innovating.